Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my premium Boxycharm for the month of June. I forgot how much I paid for this box, but I'm just gonna put the price here or somewhere here of how much the entire box is. Also, I made a tutorial on this look, so if you like this simple look, I will be uploading it as well in the following days, I hope. So this is what it looks like. First item, I'm already excited because I know what it is. This is the Hallmark collectibles. I saw this on it's like different dates every month, but there's like a time every month where you can pick with these different choices that they have of what's gonna be in your box. And this one, I really wanted it, but it wasn't available anymore when I was gonna choose my choice, I guess, when I was about to pick what I would want to receive. But I'm so happy that I actually have it. So this is a non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes one standard satin pillowcase with matching satin eyelashes. Okay, so let's open it. I'm so excited. I think they had this in two colors, either like a light pink leopard print or just a plain light pink, I think. And I think I have the light pink. I do. It feels so good. Texture feels expensive. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy with this one. So this is what it looks like. It's satin. Oh my god, it feels so good. This is gonna be so nice for my hair because I have long hair and I never knew about the friction thing until I found out about satin pillowcases. So I'm excited. Okay, next product. This is a Peerless. It's just information about it. Oh, yes. So, it's the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Looks like this. So Kylie Skin is one of the brands that I always wanted to try. I hear a lot of bad things about it. I also hear a lot of good things about it. Perfect. I'm so happy I got this because I can finally try it for myself. It's a luxurious foaming face wash. It's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C. I love skincare products with vitamin C, so I'm really excited with this one. To help maintain moisture and improve elasticity, this gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. I might try this tonight when I remove this makeup. I'm so excited to try this. I don't know why. But it has vitamin C, so that's good enough to excite me. It's so fucking hard. It's just a little... I'm shaking. Okay, so it goes out like that. It's like a foam. It doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like no scent with a little scent. It smells fresh. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, next. I see it already. It's hard not to see. This is the Tarteist Pro. So these are the shades, but I'll open it so we can see it together. So it has this little thing that you could do to make these eye looks. So it looks like this. In the back it looks like this. I personally don't like packaging that's like this because it leaves fingerprints and I hate it so much, but it's the inside that counts. This palette is good for like an everyday look. This is good because you could use it for daytime and nighttime. Imagine it wasn't recording. I got scared. Oh, this is actually the Luxe Box. I'm so stupid. Okay, next. It's like information about it. This is Perfect Glow BB Cream. It has SPF 30. SPF is really important. You wanna slather that on your face. Take care of your skin. Complexion Perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. So it's oil-free. I love oil-free products. Moisturizing, natural looking coverage. It's for all skin types, even sensitive. And I got the shade light medium. Oh, it's really thick. This is a BB cream. Light medium. Okay, I gotta remove. Hold on. Next product is the Tula. So this is a cooling and brightening eye balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. Okay. And if I open it, oh, it has this little thing too. It's like so it looks like that. And it's supposed to be cooling. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, I want to use this tonight too. Okay, and the next product, Videography Lip Pencil 2-pack. So the box is kind of messed up, but it's the inside that counts. Antioxidant lip pencil that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips. Enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Okay, so it came in rosewood and pouty. Okay, I'm gonna do a swatch. So I'm gonna swatch the rosewood first. Ooh, I like this. I wear these shades a lot. And then the pouty, it's nice too. I like it. Next product, I already saw it. I think I already have it. It's the Meline Guets. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a recovery treatment oil. I think I already have this, but I haven't used it. Yep, I already have this. I'm pretty sure. Unless it's a different gel. So it looks like this. And then this one is $82. Dang, okay. This botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Evening Primrose, Argan, and jojoba, I think. Oil helps boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E to help improve skin tone. geranium and borage. Oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce. Oils help balance skin, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm gonna give that a try. It says our fast absorbing treatment synthesizes a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Directions: apply 5 to 7 drops on clean skin. Okay. I just want to drop. Okay. Ooh. Smells good. It smells like, I'm so bad at explaining, but I think it kind of smells like lavender with like mentholness. Okay, and then I think this is the last. It also came with this Miss Kylie card, and then the last product is Green Grass CBD head to toe cream. Okay, CBD level is 100 mg of cannabidiol. Cannabidiol. I don't know how to pronounce. I'm so sorry. There you go. This unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. It's also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration. Exceptional moisture plus soothing and calming benefits. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe for all skin types. Okay, I'm really excited. Lately, I've been using stuff that has CBD, like lotion and like I have a gummy. Also the massage oil. My boyfriend bought it recently and I feel like it works and I like it. I love it. So this one I'm excited too. So I'm gonna see the consistency of this. They said this is good enough to be a facial moisturizer. So a facial moisturizer with CBD. Why not? That feels cold. It doesn't smell like anything, but it has CBD, so I don't know. So that's it actually. That's the box. I'm actually really happy with what I've got. Yeah, there's nothing I didn't like, and I'm excited to try everything. Okay, so that's it for the video. It's a short video. I feel like this is good for my first time talking to the camera. Make it short because I'm still nervous. Like, I feel my heart beat so much. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please comment below. I don't know what to say. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment what you got in your box or what you think of the stuff that I got in my box. Also, please forgive my voice. I'm really trying my best. It's 2:30 a.m. too, so I can't be loud. I'm trying my best. I feel so stupid. It's so hard. Oh my god. Props to all the YouTubers out there. Their job is not easy. It's so nerve-wracking to talk in front of a camera. It's so weird, but it's always something that I've wanted to do, and I'm so happy that I'm actually trying it right now. But my voice, I don't know why I sound like this, but yeah. I also filmed a Boxy pop-up unboxing of my order it was from last month, but it just came in like recently. It took a month for them to ship it out. I also filmed that, and I hope I can post it soon too. So So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys received on your box. I want to know. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Oh my god, my voice, I feel like I'm losing it. I'm so nervous. Okay. Fuck. I'm so shy. Okay. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my god, I feel like I'm panting. I'm so nervous. I hope I did good. Oh my god. Also, oh my god, what am I gonna say? I keep forgetting what I can't. You guys are. Also, if you guys are interested, I feel so stupid. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I fucking can't. Oh my goodness. What the hell am I doing? My boyfriend's almost here. I can't film anymore. I asked him to take a shower so I could film because I said I'm not comfortable to film while he's here. And now he's done, so I need to wrap this up. But yeah, he is done. I heard the shower. Excuse me. My boyfriend's here. Are you done? I'm not done. Maybe like I have a pillowcase that I could use. Oh. It's satin too. We both have satin. I don't know. My feet hurts. Ouch. Ow. Oh. Oh. I sat on my feet. It hurts now. That was 10.